Hello and welcome back to our channel. It's the weekend again, and we are excited to share with you 25 weekend blessings to make this a happy and relaxing time. Part 2. Write in a journal or do some creative writing. A great way to spend your weekend is to write in a journal or do some creative writing. It can be very healing and help you let go of any bad feelings or stress that have built up over the week. You can also think about the past and make plans for the future when you keep a journal. You can write about anything that comes to mind, from the things you do every day to your deepest feelings and thoughts. On the other hand, creative writing is a chance to let your imagination run wild. If you want to, you can write short stories, poems, or even start a novel. This will help you improve your writing skills and give you something fun to do at the same time. You might even surprise yourself by finding a talent you didn't know you had. So why not open a blank document on your computer or grab a notebook and start writing? It's easy, free, and good for both your mental health and your creativity. Also, you never know where it could lead you. Maybe one day you'll be a published author. Practice meditation or yoga to help clear your mind. Meditation and yoga are both very old practices that have been shown to help clear your mind and make you feel more relaxed. Both practices focus on taking deep breaths, being aware, and living in the moment. You can calm your mind and reduce stress by focusing on your breath and letting go of any thoughts that are bothering you. For people who have never meditated or done yoga before, there are a lot of online resources and in-person classes that can help them learn the basics. Even a few minutes of practice every day can make a big difference in how you feel mentally and physically. Adding these things to your weekend routine can be especially helpful because it will give you more time to take care of yourself. Overall, meditation and yoga are great ways to find peace and calm within yourself. By taking a few minutes out of your day to focus on yourself, you may find that you feel more centered, less stressed, and better prepared to deal with whatever comes your way. Make a gratitude list and reflect on what you're thankful for. Making a list of things you're thankful for is one of the easiest and most effective ways to feel happy and calm on the weekend. Taking time to think about what you're grateful for can help you shift your attention away from stress and bad thoughts and toward the good things in your life. To make a gratitude list, all you need is a pen and paper or the Notes app on your phone. Write down things you're thankful for right now. This could be something big like having supportive friends and family, good health, or financial stability, or it could be something small like enjoying a warm cup of coffee in the morning or sleeping in a comfortable bed at night. By adding to your list of things you're thankful for every week, you'll start to see that even on bad days, there are still hidden blessings that make life worth living. Thinking about what you're grateful for can also help improve your overall health and happiness by making you feel happier and more content. So take some time this weekend to make your own list of things you're thankful for. It might become an important part of how you take care of yourself. Try a new hobby or learn a new skill. Trying out a new hobby or learning a new skill can be a fun and fulfilling way to spend your weekends. There are so many things to do, from drawing and painting to cooking and gardening, that everyone can find something they like. Not only does it let you explore your interests and passions, but it can also help you feel better by lowering your stress levels. Another great way to spend your weekends is to learn a new language. It not only makes you smarter, but it also lets you travel and learn about other cultures. Practicing yoga or meditation can also help calm the mind and improve the health of the body as a whole. Make sure that whatever skill or hobby you choose brings you joy and gives you a way to relax on the weekends. Spend time with your pets or visit an animal shelter. On the weekends, it can be a great way to relax and unwind to spend time with your pets. Spending quality time with your furry friend, like going for a long walk with your dog, cuddling up with your cat on the couch, or playing fetch in the backyard, can improve your mood and make you feel less stressed. For more fun, you could also take them to a pet-friendly park or beach. If you don't have a pet of your own, you might find it rewarding to spend your weekend at an animal shelter. You will not only get to play with and take care of animals who are looking for their forever homes, but you will also be helping their health by giving them attention and affection. Who knows, anyway? While you're there, you might fall in love with a new furry friend. Have a game night with friends or family. It's important to spend time with the people you care about. A game night is a great way to spend time with friends or family and have fun. Game nights are a great way to unwind, have fun, and make memories that you'll remember forever. There are a lot of games that people of all ages and interests can play together, whether they want to compete or just have a good time. There are so many games to choose from board games like Monopoly or Scrabble to card games like Uno or poker. If you want to be more adventurous, you could also try some interactive video games. You can even pick online games where everyone can play together no matter where they are. Add some snacks and drinks to your game night to make it even more fun. It's up to you if you want pizza or chips and dip. Just remember that the point of this night is not to win, but to have fun with your family or friends. So get some snacks, pick your favorite game, and get ready for a fun night full of laughter and joy. Do some gardening or plant some new flowers or vegetables. Gardening is a fun and relaxing hobby that can make your weekends more fun. Whether you have a big backyard or just a small balcony, planting some new flowers or vegetables can make your surroundings more beautiful and fresh. Choose plants that will grow well in your climate and in the space you have. Don't be afraid to try out different colors and textures. Gardening is a great way to improve your outdoor space, and it's also good for your health in many ways. Research has shown that spending time in nature can make you feel less stressed, improve your mood, and make you feel better overall. Also, growing your own fruits and vegetables can help you eat better and save money at the same time. If you are new to gardening or don't know much about plants, start small with herbs or tomatoes, which are easy to grow. You'll be surprised at how satisfying it is to see something grow from a seedling to a harvest. So put on your gloves and pick up a trowel this weekend. Your mind, body, and garden will all be grateful. Organize your closet or declutter your living space. 1. Take everything out of your closet or living area and sort it into 3 piles: things to keep, things to give away, and things to throw away. This will help you figure out which things you need and which are just taking up space. 2. Use organizers like shelves, hooks, and baskets to give each item in your closet or living space a place of its own. This will help you make the most of the space you have and keep everything in order. 3. When you're organizing your closet, put things like tops, pants, dresses, etc. in the same pile. You can also sort them by color or season to make it easier to find what you need when getting dressed. 4. For your project to clean up your living space, work on one room at a time, starting with the messiest area. Take out anything that doesn't belong in the room, like old magazines or decorations that no longer serve a purpose. 5. Keep things in order by cleaning up every few months or so. This will keep things from piling up again over time. With these simple steps, you can make a lot of progress on organizing your home over the weekend. This will help you think more clearly and get more done during the week.